Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Friends Forever. Today I am going to talk about Java syllabus for Infosys training, and I am also going to tell about how the training will be done. Okay, let's get started. As you already know, this year instead of Python, you will be going to be trained in Java. So your training in Java syllabus will be divided into two parts: OOPS concepts and data structures and algorithms concept. Coming to OOPS concepts, again OOPS concepts is divided into parts and it will be trained in weeks. The first day, it will be about Java introduction and installation procedure for Java. From day 2 onwards, the actual Java concepts learning will start. In day 2, keywords, operators, data types, variables, condition statements will be covered, which is the basic structure of a program. In day 3, looping concepts, switch cases, pattern printing, and the basic syntax part will be done in the 2 days. Then starts your OOPS concepts part. As Java programming language is well known for OOPS concepts, you have to concentrate more on this topic. Day 4, introduction to classes, objects, constructors, types of constructors, destructors will be the basic OOPS concepts. Day 5, this keyword, encapsulation, strings, access specifiers, and memory management techniques. Day 6, arrays, 1D and 2D. You will be given some codes to debug. And in day 7, practice programs and mock tests will be conducted. You can refer any of your favorite websites to learn these concepts. It will be good to have some knowledge before the training. So try to explore these concepts. Coming to the second part of the OOPS concepts. Day 1, static, aggregation and association. The day 2 concepts are very important concepts in OOPS, like inheritance, polymorphism, overriding, overloading concepts will be covered. And next in day 3, wrapping of classes, runtime, polymorphism and final concepts. Next in day 4, abstract classes, virtual functions, interface concepts. Next in day 5, exception handling and package concepts will be covered. And the last day consists of recursion concepts and some practice programs will be given as assignment. And that's all about the OOPS part. Now coming to the data structures and algorithms concept. The weightage for this topic is more in your assessment, so you need to concentrate more on this topic. The part 1 of the data structures and algorithms. Day 1, arrays, linked list topics will be covered. Day 2, stack, queue, collections, insertion deletion operations will be covered. Day 3, related to hash map and set, which are collection frameworks. Day 4, queue, dequeue and array dequeue. You will have some kind of tricky questions from these topics. You have to get deep knowledge to understand these topics. Coming to the part 2 of data structures. Day 1, algorithm analysis. You have to analyze about the time complexity and space complexity of these algorithms, and also searching like linear search and binary search. Day 2, sorting algorithms like merge sort, bubble sort, algorithm designing techniques, and few of the quick sort algorithms will also play an important role. And that's all about the Infosys Java syllabus and training. Brush up all your basic programming concepts before your training starts. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more updates, do subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, click on the like icon and share it with your friends. Thank you.